for my vegetarian meal to be prepared. So we have got some sour cream Mexican lime tortilla chips, Mexican style rice, smoky chipotle potato salad, peppers, celery sticks, baby leaf and rocket salad, sour cream, salsa, guacamole, potatoes because I'm making chunky Cajun chips / fries, vegetable oil, and to load the peppers with, some corn mince. What's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Eat with Coral Blush. Here we have specially requested on numerous occasions. I've scrolled me comments to try and find the people who have requested it. I found 2. I believe there's more, but I kind of go through every single comment. But the 2 I found just like quite recently are Nisha Kaur and Lauren Cook. This one's for you guys. Vegetarian meal. Everything, as you've seen at the start, is from Lidl. I've checked every label on every single thing I've used. It all says suitable for vegetarians. So go and make this if you want to make it. It looks absolutely delicious. I would happily eat this all the time. I wanted to like go out and get stuff to actually make something. I didn't want to just buy like ready-made stuff just to try. I wanted to actually cook something I know I would enjoy. So I used that corn mince. It's really nice. Doesn't taste like beef mince or anything, but it does have a good flavour. It tastes nice. So here I've loaded my nachos up. Can you believe I've done this all thinking I was recording and I hadn't pressed record again? Yeah, I'm getting so stupid like that. But I've loaded all these up thinking I was recording. And I was just about to take a bite of a chip and then I noticed I wasn't recording. Never mind. So on here I've got the lovely, these sour cream and Mexican lime tortillas. Them taste lovely. And on the top of that I have put the nacho chili cheese dip, salsa, sour cream. I've topped it off with the corn mince and I've also topped it off with Mexican rice and put some more sour cream on top. These are my lovely massive chunky chips here, done perfectly. And this is my lovely stuffed bell pepper. Ooh. I put like a slice of Mexican cheese on the top of that. That feels done perfect. So I want to go straight in for a lovely chunky chip, guys, because they're just beautiful. Can't believe I nearly started eating and it wasn't recording. I wouldn't care. I've showed you how I loaded all this up as well. Never mind, at least I recorded at the start. You drink orangeade. Oh, to the side as well I've got some celery sticks and some Caesar salad dressing. And this is the lovely, I haven't tasted it yet, smoky chipotle potato salad. I thought that sounded nice. Right, let's get into this pepper, will we? I'm just going to take the top off, guys, because I'll not be eating that. Right, let me cut straight through it and see what it's like inside. I picked the red one because it was the deepest one. The yellow ones weren't as deep. I'm going to try and get this halved. Oh, looks nice. So this is, as you've seen, it's got rice, the corn, mince, cheese, rice, corn, mince, cheese. Ooh. Pull that up, give you a close-up. Nice and juicy that is. Then I topped it with Mexican cheese and get some more sour cream. Just because, and I'm just going to take a bite of it. Put a little sour cream on there. Guys, I'm dying to taste this. I've been dying to do these loaded peppers. Ready? So this is for you guys. I hope you enjoy this meal. First time I've ever concentrated and made a full vegetarian meal. Looks absolutely delicious. Oh, lovely that. The cheese in between the mince and then the rice, and it's really nice this, guys. Vegetarian or not, you should go and make it. Obviously it'll be healthy if it's vegetarian. I watched before I was thinking about doing a vegetarian version. I've always wanted to do these stuffed peppers, and I watched B Love do hers. She boiled her peppers first before she put them in the oven, where these have went soft but they've still got that little, nowhere near crunchy, but they've still got that, you still need to bite them, they're not just falling apart. The sour cream sets that off like. So good. I forgot to get a tea towel. So glad I've done this now. When people ask us to do things, sometimes I do forget. Like I think, oh, that sounds lovely, and then I forget. But recently, because I do forget, I've started like screenshotting the questions or the requests. I've got a few on my phone. I will slowly but surely get to them. But it just totally depends on what I've got already in the house and what I can go out and buy, you know what I mean? So, but they are on my phone and I will get round to them if you've requested things in the past, or I could have totally forgot about what you said, so don't be offended if I don't do what you've requested. But I am starting to like screenshot the question and saving them just so I can go, if I'm stuck for ideas, I'll go back to my requests. So that's one down, my vegetarian meal. And I wouldn't believe I was eating a vegetarian meal. It tastes delicious. I wouldn't care. I wanted a yellow pepper. I prefer yellow peppers. I'm going to tea towel. Right, got one. Woo. Whitey mush. Oh, stick some rice and sour cream on a chip, eh? It's actually really nice. Wow. When I was making the chips, I was thinking, oh, yous look beautiful, huh? Try and pick a nacho, a loaded one. Plenty, bit of everything on there. Yummy yum. Wow. I hope you go out and make this vegetarian or not. I keep going to say vegan. This is not vegan, it's vegetarian. Vegetarian stuff's a lot. There's like a lot more options you can do, but vegans are like super strict. I said everything was from Little. Sorry, that salsa is from Aldi, and it's a lovely salsa. The fresh one in the fridge. It's really nice. Wow, that's a mega loaded one. Wow. Try a celery stick. I love celery in what's it called? Caesar salad dressing. So nice. Sometimes on a night time, if I'm peckish, I'll just have a plate of celery dunked in this. Crunchy. Drip, drip. Now, is that not a perfect chunky chip? They're just huge. So you've seen how I make them. So I just turn the pan on, put the chips in. The oil probably still be cold, but keep it on low for 20 minutes, and that'll soften them up and they won't burn because it's low. And then after 20 minutes, judge them, like stir them round a bit, and if you can feel they're just borderline going soft, then turn them up high, and I do them for another 10 minutes, and then you can see when they start floating, and when you can touch them and they don't feel like they're going to like break up, like you can like touch them with force, that means they're practically done. And then you're just waiting for them to get that lovely colour. Simple as that. If you don't have a chip pan, just use a normal one of your biggest pans, as long as it's non-stick inside. Don't use it like the silver ones. When it's silver inside, make sure it's got that black non-stick coating, because they will just turn to mush. They'll stick to the pan and turn to mush when you try and like turn them. Yeah, but I just use my biggest pan out my pan set. I've had that chip pan for years. It's like looking a bit scraggy, but it's such a good chip pan, I don't want to bin it. Have a little taste of this, Potato salad. Smoky chipotle potato salad. God, I've just done everything in front of this table. It's a right mess. Right, now I have a... Ooh, it's falling all over, but... That's lovely. But I don't want to fill myself up because all this is better. Have this with that pepper. Guys, these are lovely. I bet they even tastier with proper mince. But that corn mince is really nice. It's got a bit of a flavour, like, do you know them? Are they called fridge raiders? The little chunky bits of chicken. It's a bit like that diced up. That's what they taste like. I was trying to think what it tasted like, and it's just come to mind there. Wow. Someone asked earlier on in my comments, or said, should I say, that pardon me and Kenny should go live. I don't know, like, I'm quite scared to go live. Obviously yous will be talking, because like I'm thinking, what will I talk about? But yous will obviously be firing questions or asking us things, so that'll be the conversation. I don't think I would do like a live mukbang, because I would want to, like, I would have snacks, maybe have a few little drinks with yous. Because I think when you have a full thingy of food, like, you want to eat your food, but you like also want to interact. So yeah, I think I wouldn't mind like just a few snacks, like chips and dips and stuff. But I would need to wear my glasses because I'll not be able to see the phone. So what I'm thinking is, because it's my special birthday this year, it's not till September, mind. So I'm thinking maybe it's on my 40th birthday. I'll go live. Because loads of people ask us that I should go live, and I really enjoy other people's lives, but I don't know. I feel like it would not be boring, but you know what I mean? Like when you haven't done it before, it's just the unknown. And I like when people interact in the comments. Like just say I'm watching someone's live. Like I've just been watching English Eats live a couple of days ago. And as soon as you say something, other people go, hey, hi Coral, blush. And it's nice like when you interact in other people's comments. So I'm thinking, it's not a promise, but I'll psych myself up. I'll have a couple of drinks. And I'll go live on my 40th birthday. My 40th birthday is the 12th of September. Special. So you can get your cards sent up to us. Wow. That is chunky. The skin on that one's went so crisp. I could go on forever eating these chips. They're lovely. Some more of this lovely pepper. Look at that. Lush. Delicious. So let us know in the comments who would love us to go live. I don't know, it's just some reason I'm a bit scared to do it. And then I'm not sure which way to put your camera. Like if you have it landscape, will it record landscape? So it might end up being a disaster. Wow. Woo! Well, I hope you vegetarians out there enjoy this, because I am thoroughly enjoying it. I hope I've given you some inspiration to go and make it. You won't be disappointed. Loaded up. Wonder what a chip would be like in that. We'll have a try. Better by itself. I was over the moon when I seen McDonald's on Uber Eats. So I've had my Burger King fix and my McDonald's fix. Wow. Whew. Oh. Pardon me. I'm thinking these celery sticks the best. With what's left. Oh, as well, I've recently just found out or discovered a new UK mukbang as well. It's a couple. They're really, really nice. They're a lovely couple. They do a mixture of everything. I think they're called Jade and Rob, or Rob and Jade. I think it's Rob and Jade. Go and check them out. They're really nice. Rob and Jade. They're a really nice couple. I just discovered them yesterday. I watched a couple of the videos last night, but was really late. Like I said, lovely couple. They do a bit of everything, like challenges, mukbangs, reviews, like exercising, testing products and different things. They're like proper do a variety of stuff, but they're so nice. Lovely sweet couple, so go and check them out. I think it's Rob and Jade. I don't know whether that's eats or anything like that after it, but it's Rob and Jade, definitely. So it's another fellow UK mukbangers. If you like the UK's, go and check them out and subscribe to them. I like finding like new people to watch. There's a little boy, Bailey, I think he was called, in a lot of the videos. And at first I thought it was like their son, but it's actually his auntie. It's like her, she's the auntie, and Rob's her boyfriend. And I think they said he was about 6 months old when them two met. And they take him all over. They're a lovely auntie and uncle to that Bailey. Lucky boy. I'm full, guys. Full. I might have one more celery and then I'm done. Hope you have enjoyed this vegan video. Not vegan. Hope you have enjoyed this vegetarian video. Don't want to be getting wrong off the vegan saying that's not vegan. Last one, loaded up. That's big, guys. Whew. Delicious. Oh, that's not bacon. Oh, what's happening there? Must just be the cold of the glass, like watering down. Never mind. I'm done, guys. Like I said, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will love yous forever and ever. Right, I'm off. That's Ellis just coming in. Right, I'm going to go, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.